Hey, tired of the same sandwiches every year? Then hold on, new recipes. Finely chop the mushrooms. Now we will fry the mushrooms in butter. Add sour cream. Grate cheese. I make sandwiches for one bite, so I divide a slice of loaf in half, spread butter on each slice of bread. Then mushroom mixture. Top with tomato slices, onion rings and sprinkle with grated cheese. Left to put sandwiches on a baking sheet. Bake in the oven until the top layer is browned. First, let's make a pate. For convenience, cut crab sticks and herbs into pieces. And send everything to the blender. Add sour cream or light mayonnaise, and curd cheese. We mix everything. Our pate is ready. Cut the cucumber into thin slices. Now let's prepare a substrate for the pate. Fry the loaf on one side in a dry frying pan. On the toasted side of the loaf, spread the paste with a layer of at least 5 mm. For beauty, lay out a branch of dill. Next, lay out the cucumber, salt a little, and cover with pate. You can decorate the top as you wish. I spread cherry slices and sprinkle with herbs. Mix egg with cottage cheese. Cut the ham into slices. Put ham on each slice of bread. Then spread with cottage cheese. Place the sandwiches on a baking sheet. Bake in the oven until the bread is brown. Enjoy your meal. I wish you delicious culinary masterpieces. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you.